This cave is huge. Well, it's not that big, but it's so cool. Look at it. It's just on the side of some mountains.
It's a dog heart.
Yeah, I know. It's mine. All right, I'm gonna come up.
Mama!
Gigi, stop.
Going in.
Oh my gosh! Mama, look it! Look at this huge sand crab! Mama, look! Look at its shell! Mama, look! Mama! Oh my God, Mama!
I want my frisbee back. I don't care about that. I want my frisbee.
Gigi, go get the frisbee. Okay. Guys, this should be like survival in real life. Oh my gosh, there's all this green stuff on the ceiling. There's like wood and rocks over there. There's whatever this thing is. It's like a stick, but weird. It's like a shelf. But, oh my gosh, some real life sandstone. Oh, that's cool. Well, I guess this whole cave is made out of sandstone. Before we go in further, oh my gosh, it's so scary because it's going like in here. Oh, this thing keeps scaring me. Oh, stop. That's beautiful. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is crazy. And Dylan, sure. Sorry. All right. This is crazy. All right, guys. That's the top. I don't think you could see much, but this cave is pretty big. There's a huge rock in the back. Maybe there's something behind that rock. Oh yeah, there was that behind the rock. Oh, it's like a face. All right. All right. I'm jumping down. Whoa. Jump down. Whoa. That drone scared me. Wait, can you guys see it? It's a drone. Oh yeah, it's that little speck on your screen. But that's what the cave looks like from far away. And let's go look for some more cool stuff. Yeah, like I climbed up there. I didn't find anything. There's nothing really cool. There's like a bunch of these concrete things. It's just like rocks of concrete. I think there was like buildings here at one point. And then there's the pier over there. It's my mom and my sister. Okay, so oh, that's sad. All right, I'm climbing up. All right, climbed all the way up. As you can see, there's nothing up here. It's like some more dead bushes, but I hate those because they're pokey and they like to poke me. But I better get get down in, not going down in. It's pretty stupid. All right, let's see what. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There's a flat stone. Okay, I'm getting down. Oh, there's a cool like little mini cave in there. Oh, that was like a cave that could fit me. That was crazy. All right, and all right. What the heck? What the heck? Okay, I'm coming.